How to import data to QuickBooks. So here I'm on the homepage of QuickBooks and we're simply going to use the search bar, click on the magnifying glass, and we want to search for import data. And I'm going to explain how this works. So we want to jump to import data here, and you will see this: bring your existing data into QuickBooks, bank data, customers, suppliers, chart of accounts, products and services, invoices and bills. Now, depending on what you want to import, you will select it from this option. So for example, if I want to import customers, I'll click on customers and it's going to look like this. Select a CSV or Excel file to upload. And assuming you already have those files ready, you just simply click on browse here and you will find the customer CSV or Excel file, and we're going to click on open. Then we want to click next here in the bottom right corner. Now, it doesn't let me fill this out, but basically that's because my file is empty. But if you have your file ready here, it will automatically detect it and you will be able to choose from this drop-down menu right here. So you just want to fill out this information here for your customers, so on and so forth, basically all of the information here that's required. And then you will click on next and it will just ask you to confirm the import to QuickBooks. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.